If you have been using Linux Mint Cinnamon for a while, you probably know it's one of the best Linux desktop out there. It's stable, fast, beginner friendly, but visually it can feel a little pain. So today we are going to transform this default desktop into something that looks modern, clean, elegant and premium, without installing a heavy desktop environment or using complicated tweaks. The best part, everything we will use is completely free and the performance remains excellent. Let's get started. The very first thing we will change is the overall desktop theme. Open your browser and simply search for Nordic theme. The first result should take you to the Cinnamon look. Here you will find multiple versions of the theme. I think there are around 9 different variants available. Each has a slightly different look, lighter, darker, mixed variants, so feel free to choose whichever suits your taste. Personally, I am going with Nordic Darker because I think it strikes the perfect balance between elegance and readability. Download the zip archive. Once it's downloaded, extract it. Now open your home folder. Press Ctrl H to reveal hidden folders. Look for the folder called .themes. If you don't already have one, simply create it. Now copy or move the extracted Nordic theme folders into .themes. That's it. We won't apply it just yet because we are going to install everything first. Now let's make those default icons look much better. Search for Papirus icon theme GitHub, open the GitHub repository and download the latest icon pack. After downloading, extract the archive. This archive is pretty large, so extraction might take a minute or two depending on your system. While that's happening, let's not waste any time. We will continue with the customization. Meanwhile, open your terminal, install Plank using sudo apt install plank, enter your password and let it install. Once installation finishes, simply type plank and hit enter. You will immediately see a lightweight dock appear at the bottom of the screen. This is one of the lightest dock available for Linux. We will configure it later. For now, just verify it's working. Eventually, you will probably want Plank to launch automatically every time you log in. We will add it up to startup applications later. The default Plank theme is okay, but today we are aiming for something much cleaner. Search for Plank themes GNOME look. You will find plenty of beautiful themes. Choose whichever matches your style. I am going with Teleporty because it has a minimal floating appearance that fits perfectly with the Nordic theme. The download redirects to GitHub. Download the zip archive. We will install it a little later.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
By now the icon pack should have finished extracting. Open the extracted folder, you will find an installation script. Simply run bash./install.sh or sh.install.sh. Depending on your download, either command works. After a few seconds, it's done. Papirus icons are now installed system-wide. We will activate them later. Now let's add something functional and stylish to the desktop. Search for the Conky clock project on GitHub. Download the zip archive. While that's downloading, let's install Conky itself. Open the terminal again and install Conky. Once installation finishes, we will come back to the downloaded clock. Now comes the fun part. Open themes from Linux Mint settings. Change the following: the applications, desktop, window borders, and controls. Now switch the icons to Papirus. You can also choose the Papirus cursors if it's included. Immediately you will notice the desktop already feels much more modern. Small changes, huge differences.
Catching a haze love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
Let's make the layout look cleaner. Right-click the panel, move it from bottom to top. This instantly creates more space for the dock we will use below. It's a small adjustment, but visually it makes a surprisingly big difference. A beautiful desktop deserves beautiful wallpapers. Search for Nordic wallpapers GitHub and download the entire collection. There are lots of wallpapers inspired by Nordic colors, landscapes, mountains, forests, abstract art, and minimal designs. The download can take a little while, so while there's downloading, let's configure our desktop clock. Extract the downloaded Conky clock archive. Open the folder, run the included installation script. Installation usually takes only a few seconds. Now the clock files are installed. By now the wallpaper collection should be downloaded, so extract it, browse through the collection. Honestly, this pack has some amazing wallpapers. Pick whichever matches your mood.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking
I'm choosing this one because it perfectly complements the Nordic color palette. Right click, set as wallpaper. Already looking much better.
like a wildfire.
Now open the terminal and run Conky. your desktop clock should appear.
Never the same. Whenever you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time.
Now here's the nice thing, everything is customizable. Open the conky.conf file, you can change position, alignment, size, transparency, offsets, fonts, basically play around until it feels right. There's no correct setup, make it your own.
Bring me into golden sunlight.
Now let's finish the doc. Extract the Teleporty archive, run the installation script. After installation, just right click on the blank, open preferences and change the theme to Teleporty. While you are here, adjust the icon size, enable zoom if you like, change icon behavior, alignment, spacing, hide mode, etc. Spend a few minutes here because these little tweaks really make the desktop feel polished. And that's our finished Linux Mint desktop. Look at the difference. We didn't install a heavy desktop environment, we didn't use complicated scripts, we didn't consume extra system resources, yet the desktop now looks clean, minimal, professional, and honestly something you would be proud to show off. That is why I love Linux. You can completely change the look without sacrificing the performance. If you enjoyed this transformation, let me know in the comments. I would love to make more Linux Mint customization videos, maybe a cyberpunk setup, macOS inspired desktop, Windows 11 look, or even a futuristic glass theme. Also, we are trying to reach 1000 subscribers before the end of this month. If this video helped you customize your desktop even a little, please consider leaving a like and a subscribing. It genuinely helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more Linux content every week. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Happy Linuxing!